Adobong kangkong, easy and economical dish. Fresh from our garden. No in-depth tutorial involved, but instead, let's have fun as we prepare it. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo and his small kitchen. Hello friends, good evening. Good evening pagbati sa inyong mga kaibigan, especially our friends in the homeland, in our Patria Adorada. Special greetings also to our growing number of friends from the UK, Canada, the US, Middle East, Australia, and New Zealand. And of course, India. Don't forget India. Thank you for watching our cooking show. As you might have thought, we'll be cooking today kangkong. Kangkong, it's water spinach. Although I grew them on land, it's called water spinach. I don't know how they call this in India. In the watery part of Kerala, I'm sure this is abundant. Adobong kangkong. Ano pa ang ituturo rito? Napakasimple if you know how to stir fry. Add vinegar and salt and pepper. It's done. That's simple. But let's have fun at the kitchen. You're Korean here, by the way, Romilo. Let's steal the thunder of our voiceover today. What else do we need but our harvest from the garden today? I also have here 3 ampalaya, but I'll keep them for our future dishes. Come back for those. Okay, let's prepare our ingredients. I don't know how you would react to this. There's not much to say about this procedure, but I played with camera angles. Yes, I played with camera angles. See all of these. And even from the top, and my camera drop. And even the simple task of washing involved 2 shots. And for our simple recipe, our ingredients. Okay, voiceover, do you have anything to add? What does it say? What does it say? Now, I have something to add. Of course, since this is adobo, we need a bit of soya sauce. I have a crisis here. I don't have our Pinoy soya sauce. The next that comes close would be the Japanese kikuman. So I'm trying the Indonesian, at least, Indonesian ketchup manis or sweet soya sauce. Ayoko to hanggat maaari, but we don't have that option. And since this is sweet, I won't be adding sugar. So, voiceover, no sugar. Only for this one. I'm gonna use my old pot para mahabag kayo sa akin at hindi nyo skip ang ad. So, we'll do the sangkutsa. Sangkutsa. We'll pre-boil the pork and have it render. No more kidding, voiceover. Vinegar, salt, and pepper. Thank you. We'll change this with a channel horn motif. Yeah, better on camera. We can add the garlic now. And followed by the onions. We can add the kangkong now. The kangkong. 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 Or water spinach. Balangay. The greens, the kangkong leaves are now wilted. I can add the vinegar now. This is a special type of vinegar. It's a table vinegar, so it's more flavorful. Parang suka ng tubo. After adding vinegar, don't stir your dish until it boils crispy. Otherwise, maging maasim. Salt. And the pepper as well without stirring the just because the vinegar is not yet boiling. I'm gonna use this Indonesian soya sauce just to color it. And I have to be frank, lalagyan ko siya ng bawal na gamot. Something learned today, I didn't know that the kangkong has a rubbery sap, just like the banana blossom. I think all vegetables that have rubbery sap are tasty. Yeah. Feel free to add water if it gets too dry. I just did. And in 5 minutes or less, it's cooked. It's cooked, it's time to serve. Ay, ay, ay. This is not the most Instagrammable of all dishes. It's a poor man's dish, but this is delicious. Ako ang nagtanim, ako ang nagluto, at ako ang kakain. Our adobo. Kangkong adobo. From the very basic ingredients. Masarap. And you can do it yourself as well at home. Try it. Of course, I'll be eating this with rice. Hindi pa to, pero I cannot wait. Bro. You know, now I understand why my father used to do a day trip to Urdaneta from our Anda because of this. Walang ganito sa amin walang ganito sa amin on the island. So he went from Anda to Urdaneta for this because he loves this. Gawa na rin. Thank you for joining me today with my cameraman here, and until next time, if you enjoyed our cooking show, don't forget to share and ibida natin ang pagkain sa buong mundo, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it. And if travel is your preference, my Bago May Mundo might be for you. Until next time, I have to drink. There's kangkong in my throat. Bye bye.